Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel Retail Investing and Trading. And in today's video, with a very specific name of the video, I want to explain you and once more say the value of backtesting data. Okay, because a lot of you know and are by now are probably heard that harmonic patterns are profitable patterns, and there are traders that are saying pattern is a pattern is a pattern, and that you need to take the patterns when they happen in the market, because historically it's been proven that they are profitable. So in this case, in front of me, we have the beautiful bad pattern on euro dollar, which is one of the pairs in my portfolio. But in the name of the video, it actually says why I'm not taking this bad pattern. And to answer this, basically, I want to show you something. Although this pattern looks really beautiful, and although we have, like, I would say, a strong resistance here, and we are basically testing this and reaching the pending entry point, which I marked here. This line would be my entry point, 886 retracement from X to A leg, which is this. Let me bring my fibs up again to show you. See? So it is a beautiful pattern, and I am not disagreeing that, but the thing is that based on my backtesting data, uh, it showed me that this is not profitable for me. So in this video, I want to bring up this backtesting data, show you my backtesting results, and how and why I came to the conclusion that I won't be taking this bet today. Okay, but before I do that, any real YouTuber, I have to call you up and call you. Go down there, click that subscribe button, and click and hit that bell button. Okay, so that your famous YouTube algorithm can rank my videos, and so that we can help many more people with these kind of videos as well. With that being said, let me bring my Excel spreadsheet up right in front of you, and just give me a sec here. There we go. Okay. Okay, so in by backtesting the euro dollar, I started when in 2013, 28th of February was my first trade that I saw in 2013 at 9 p.m. All of my backtests are based on GMT time zone, because the GMT or UTC time zone is the only time zone that's not being where people are not changing their time based on the daylight savings time changes that are happening twice a year, and which pisses a lot of people off. So I said, okay, I'm gonna base all of my backtesting data based of this zone, so that in case that DST time happens, when DST happens, having uh, I will keep adjusting my trades based on the GMT zone, because it didn't change, and my backtesting results should be consistent throughout the year. Okay, so when you check this out, I have the number of trades, which is 111 in the course of in the time span of, what is it? Let's see here. Yeah, so basically, what is it? I don't know, 5 years, around 5 years. I got 111 trades, and I netted 1869 pips. Okay, which gives me around 59% win rate and 38% loss rate, and 3% were scratches. The thing is, the scratches, or this is like zero. When I netted 0 pips, I got into a trade, but I moved my stop loss to break even when we almost hit my take profit levels. And then the price, for some reason, as it can happen and as it tends to happen in the market, and if you're trading consistently each and every day, it will happen to you, reversed and hit my stop loss. Okay, so it's a trade like this one here, which happened throughout my backtesting results at p.m. GMT time on 25th of November in 2016, which actually sucks. Okay, so with that being said, why I'm not taking these bad? Because all of this is just raw data. So, but when you join a company that I joined and then I basically that I preach that it's very good company, which is tier one trading company, they give you this spreadsheet and then you have these pivot tables. And everything that I have filters set it up here. So I have my filter that you saw in some of the other videos where I check out, is it overbought and oversold? RSI, is it overbought and oversold? Above 70 and 30, and I check up my stop losses. Okay, so I don't trade based, depends on a pair. There are some kind of a stop losses that is either too big for me, yeah, mostly it's too big for me, or the take profit level is too small for me. So all of these filters you can put here if you noted them down, and then you can filter them out. But for these purposes, this is enough because I'm still developing my trade plan. But although I'm still developing the trade plan and I should be done with it by the end of this week, and next week should be my first live week of trading and forward testing and journaling and following up with you guys on that equity curve, I want to show you here that I want to show you here that how powerful backtesting actually is. Okay, so back on this thing here is actually a bat, and the time here is 5 p.m. Okay, but remember guys, one thing is important. This seed trader that I'm using is showing time time on a candle of a start of a candle. Okay, as you can see in the bottom right corner here, it's 5:59, and here it says 5 p.m. Okay, but the software that I used for backtesting actually show results by the end of the candle. So depends on the software, on a software setup. Some softwares can show end of a candle. So when the candle closes, the time would be shown down there here. And that software would on this candle it would show 6 p.m. So it's actually printing the same candle, but some trading softwares, like you have a bunch of them, TradingView, MT4, MT5, Ninja Trader, C Trader, bunch of them. Ninja Trader in particular is showing 6 p.m. here, and on this candle that just started printing, it's actually showing 7 p.m. And to show you this, I'll bring it up. Okay, so it's actually here, and so the candle that's printing is right there. Let me zoom in. It's the same bat, same pair. Here is the candle. It's showing 7 p.m. and the previous candle is showing 6 p.m. Okay, so when we go back to C Trader, okay, so you can see that this one is showing 6 p.m. And because I backtested the data on the Ninja Trader, because it makes my life easier for backtesting but not for live trading, I have results that are saying to me that 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. on Eurodollar are negative for me. As a matter of fact, so is 8 p.m. And by 9 p.m. I'm already in bed, and because 9 p.m. 9 p.m. GMT time is what would it be? It's actually depends on the time zone. It's a little bit later here. So when I'll try to filter these results, I'll definitely have a spreadsheet in Excel which will say that for bats on Eurodollar, stop trading after 4 p.m. GMT. So 4 p.m. candle close time GMT, which is actually 3 p.m. Okay, so my last entry for Eurodollar bat will be 3 p.m. GMT. That's it. After this, if I'm not in a trade, I will cancel my orders and I won't be trading it. That's it. That's the reason why I'm not taking this bet. Although some people are probably getting triggered or will be triggered in this very soon. We're just a few pips away. from the pending orders that should be set if you're trading this time, and if you backtested this way. For me, the results were just not consistent in this time, and I'm not gonna trade it. With that being said, I hope this is valuable to you and that you see how powerful backtesting results could be, because some people who don't have this backtested data, this bunch of trades that have proven historical results showing, hey man, throughout 5 years, if you for every trade you took or after 5 p.m., it was a loser. So the chances are that this might be a loser as well. It would be better for you to keep your profits and not to give them back to the market. That's what backtesting results provide for you. That's why I preach backtest, 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 although it's a lot of work, especially backtesting candle by candle. It's frustrating sometimes, but as Jason Grayson tells us, you only gotta do it once, and then you create your trading plan, and you go from there. Anyway, guys, with that being said, thank you very much for watching this video so far. Again, I'll invite you to subscribe below and click that bell buttons for the mighty YouTube algorithm to rank our videos and so that we can help a bunch of other people. Thank you very much and talk to you soon. Bye bye.